Hi everyone. What if I told you that every single crypto transaction you have ever made, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any altcoin, only exists because of something called a node? Without nodes, there's no blockchain, no decentralization, and no crypto as we know it. In this video, I'll break down exactly what a node is, how it works, and why it's a hidden backbone of every blockchain. Stick around because by the end, you'll understand one of the most important pieces of crypto technology in under 5 minutes. Looking to earn crypto smarter, faster, and more profitably? Welcome to Deep TradeX, where trading meets opportunity. With Deep TradeX, you get instant access to top cryptocurrency, advanced trading tools, and a platform built for maximum profits. Every trade is a chance to grow your crypto portfolio, and their intelligent systems helps you trade confidently. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, Deep TradeX makes earning crypto fast, easy, and professional. Don't wait. Click the link in the description and start trading with Deep TradeX today. Your next crypto opportunity is just one trade away. So what is a node? A node is basically a computer that connects to a blockchain network. It stores, communicates with other nodes, and ensures that every transaction is valid. Think of it like a checkpoint in a global network. Whenever you spend or receive crypto, nodes work together to check and confirm that your transaction is real. In short, nodes keep the blockchain honest. How nodes work? Here's how it works. When someone sends crypto, the transaction doesn't go straight to the receiver. Instead, it first gets broadcast to nodes. These nodes verify, does the sender really have enough funds? Is the signature correct? Once enough nodes confirm it, the transaction is bundled into a block. Then, depending on the blockchain miners or validators, add that block to the chain. Every node updates its copy of the blockchain instantly, keeping everything synced worldwide. And that's why Bitcoin and Ethereum and other blockchains can't just be shut down. It's not one computer. It's thousands of working together. Types of nodes. Now, not all nodes are the same. Number one, full nodes. Store the entire history of the blockchain and verify everything. These are the backbone of decentralization. Then, second, light nodes. Store only part of the blockchain and rely on full nodes. For the rest, they are faster and often used in crypto wallets. Third, validator or mining nodes. These actively secure the network. In Bitcoin, miners use proof of work. In Ethereum, validators use proof of stake. Either way, these nodes are the ones adding new blocks and earning rewards. So why nodes matter? Why should you care about nodes? Nodes are the reason crypto is decentralized. Instead of one company or government controlling the system, thousands of nodes across the globe share responsibility. That means more security. It's almost impossible to hack thousands of nodes at once. More transparency. Anyone can run a node and check the blockchain themselves. More freedom. No single authority can shut down Bitcoin or Ethereum or as long as nodes exist. So, to wrap up, a node is a computer that powers the blockchain by storing data, validating transactions, and keeping the network decentralized. Without nodes, there's no crypto. So if you find this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Crypto Journal, and ring the bell so you never miss our next crypto explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.